Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to the maths class. This is your maths teacher and I hope that everyone is doing good. Today's topic is numbers. Reference is Countdown Book 2, page number 20 and 21, and the subtopic is ordering numbers. Putting in order, 3-digit number. Putting in order means arranging the numbers, and there are two ways to arrange the numbers. First way is ascending order. Ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest value. To understand this, we can relate it with example of ant. A for ant, A for ascending order. So ant is smaller one, so smaller to bigger numbers. Another way to understand is going upstairs. As you move upstairs, you start from the first step and then gradually you move ahead, move upward. Same is the case with ascending order. In ascending order, we start writing the number with the smallest place value first, then gradually we move ahead, and then at the end we write the number with the greatest place value. Here is an example on the right hand side. The first number which you can see, 213. Then rest of all the numbers are greater than 213 and the numbers are ending at 219, which has the greatest place value. So this is ascending order. Now here comes an example for you to understand the ascending order. 431, 849, 900, 871, 573, 624. Now you can see that these numbers are not written in any order. These numbers are not arranged. We have to arrange, we have to put these numbers in ascending order. So remember ascending order. A for ascending, A for ant means smaller to bigger. We need to write down the smallest number first. So the smallest number among these is 431, then 573, 624, 849, 871, and the last one 900. There are 6 numbers given in the question, and in the answer I have written 6 numbers. Putting in order, 3-digit number, descending order. The next way to arrange the number to order the number is descending order. Descending order is the opposite of ascending. Descending order means arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest value. To understand this, we can relate it with the word dinosaur. Dinosaur is big one, so bigger to smaller. Another way to understand is going downstairs. As you go downstairs, you start from the highest place and then gradually you come down to the first step. Same is the case with the descending order. In descending order, we start writing the number with the highest place value. Then gradually we move down and write down the number with the smallest place value. Here is an example on the right hand side of descending order. The first number which is written, it is 291. You can see that rest of all the numbers are smaller than 291 and the last number is 213. Obviously it means that 213 is the smallest number among these. So this is an example of descending order. Here you will see, you will put these numbers in descending order. the numbers are given in random, means these numbers are not arranged, but we have to arrange these numbers according to the descending order. Remember, D for down, D for descending, D for dinosaur, biggest to smallest. So the biggest number is, you need to check, 950. Then comes 841. Then comes 749. You can see that every number is smaller than the previous one. 642, 624, and the last one is 590. These are total 6 numbers written in descending order. Okay, now I have given you the concept of ordering numbers, ordering in ascending and descending order. So now you are able to do the pages of your countdown book, page number 3, 20 and 21 by yourself. Here I am going to attach a video for your interest and understanding. Watch it, please. Thanks for watching the video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.